done to the full? In Cebu and all around.
Now we're just doing the sprint.
I'm going to ask you, do you have any plans of doing the full?
Yeah.
When? We have one this year.
Oh.
In June in Subic. And then that's going to happen next year. So I want to see you. Alright? Huwag mo na mag-sprint. Mag-full na tayo, walang masarap. Alright? See you. See you. Alright, that is
Pang Ironman talaga yan, mag-sprint. Ayun o. Na sa sprint, dito na tayo sa Ironman. Expected na darating 9:30. And time check for now, it's 8 o'clock. You know, tinanggal na. Power! Woo! Abangan natin dito kung sino yung mga finisher, mga podium finishers. Alright! Alright, tulad na to din mga idol. Ang pinakaunang ang lusot. Ayan o, yung pinakauna na runners. Pinakaunang 70.3 Ironman. Alright. Alright. Ayun, mayroon na. Ito mga bay, Ironman. Podium finish. Ito yung pinakauna, may pinakauna. Hala! Ayan! Pau, sir! Naraga! Roni! Timura! Grabe, pau! Woo! Pau, stem! Davao na mga bay, Davao. Idol na ito ni Davao City. Ayan, second team. Alright. Woo! Ayan, Davao pa rin. Ayan o. Alright. Relay. First place, sila Pau sa relay. Second, sila kapatid ni Eric, Lasebe. You know. Second team, relay. Grabe. Ironman talaga. You know. Mutian ng Davao 2026. Yan yung mutian ng Davao natin mga idol. Ang ganda. Itong isang mutian ng Davao. Ambot sa iyang award. You know.
On three, make some noise. Sorry? 800 meters. Okay, well, quickest go practice. On three, make some noise. 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Ayan, last 300. Individual.
Don't worry, we have 800 meters to go.
800 meters na lang, 800 meters. Grabe na to.
Ironman!
George!
Idol! Woo!
Idol! Hawakan mo, Idol!
Woo! Power itong mga idol, oh! Grabe! Yee!
Well done, sir!
Grabe! Swim! Bike and run ito mga idol. Swim, bike and run. Power! Woo! The jump!
Nice, George!
That's what happens when you give it everything for a 70.3 pounds.
Yan o. Grabe.
second
Yan.
place, we have our next finisher,
Yeah, pangalawa mga idol, pangalawa.
Santiago Metzano.
Ay, pangalawa idol, second place. Woo, from Baguio, triathlon. Baguio ito idol, Baguio. Woo, grabe.
Third over the finish line, but looks to be second.
Iya.
Luco.
Pangatlo mga idol.
Congratulations, Victor.
From, saan mga nabansa kaya to?
Down to the last second.
Pangatlo mga idol, pangatlo. Third place.
We see the absolute fall.
Yeah, no?
This race and this heat has taken on our athletes today.
Power. Yan ang champion mga idol, oh. Ayan ang champion. Woo, grabe. Buda.
Marlon!
Ako.
The 18 of the BYD Ironman Celebrate Freedom Hour presented by Fortis.
Right.
Mr. Diaz, giving his medal. Congratulations.
Mga-apat yan, mga-apat. Alright. Oh, yan.
Definitely going to finish today.
Slan.
Cartwheeling over the finish line tape.
Idol natin mga triathletes. Alright. Woo. Idol, oh. Power.
Making a strong claim for that trophy.
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan.
We see Bernard Fischer
Cesar from Baguio.
over the finish line.
Team na to, ang lakas.
Congratulations. Hey!
Alright. Grabe. Woo! Grabe. Iron na talaga. Woo! Another from Baguio. Grabe itong Baguio, ng Aros. Triathlon ng Baguio, grabe oh. Alright. Snakehead, try team. Snakehead. Relay to, relay.
You're home safe. Congratulations.
Baguio team.
And Kenneth Honda.
Grabe power oh.
SND Barracuda suit. 4 hours 50 minutes. Screen relation. And then the
Idol nga pogi oh. Idol nga pogi.
John Canoe, you are a legend. Congratulations. Being the usual.
Alright, Alden Resort. Basta.
More yellow flags. You are home safe. Congratulations. Provides the hand back. The finish line tape. Insulation as he helps. Try SND Barracudas.
Go, Col!
Trophy.
Alright.
Tolagalan over the finish line.
Barracuda.
What's
Grabe, Aniga Maras daw. Grabe, 2 weeks ago.
Welcome back, Jay Carl. Strive for fitness. Here he is.
Alright, ito yung sa ladies, a mix. Oh, mix. Team mix. You know. First place ito. Mix. Alright.
Gabriel Lonsdale.
Power.
Giving a big shout.
Woo.
At the end. At the finish line. Pharaoh Drive. He is followed by Team Mega Wide.
Yeah! Tatar Sim. Sampai. Wow! Grabe! Sa kalam! You know? Power!
John Dennis Borbola. Congratulations, Benjamin. Hey, welcome our first female athlete of the day for the individual.
Ay, ito yung pinakauna sa mga babae, mga idol! Iron Lady! Barley. Grabe. Ito yung Iron Lady, mga idol. Woo!
Ralph Yap.
Second place sa female.
Congratulations.
Grabe, power.
Relay team, the usual.
Relay.
Let's go, the usuals. And right behind.
Ikaw mo sa Tony Richard and woo! Ang kagwapo mga tisoy. Basta-basta! Ayan o! Woohoo! Alden Richards. Idol na to ni mga idol. Will.
All right. Hey, look.
Will. Another Iron Lady. Power. Team PNP. Arjun! Grabe, ano yan itong idol na taga Davao? Marjon Galete. Marjon TV. Alright. Alright.
Ay sila.
Try team.
Bird at the BYD Ironman 74.3. Tapos side, you side, you side. Gabriela Silvestre Tenko from Technical Congress. Cruz. Welcome back, try SMD Barracuda. Welcome back, Snakehead.
Snakehead.
And we have next up Team B. Yes, Jacobson. Jennifer Amy Tanadoy.
Ay, idol, idol. The champs. The champs, the champs. Alcalde. May kuya ang triathlete. Yan o.
Wow, Bob Dixon.
Ah!
Happening name.
Ay, the couple! Woo! Di basta-basta!